Installation of the 4 inches octagonal junction box with adjustable junction box bar hanger for bathroom vanity light outlet. Mark the height of the vanity light junction box on both adjacent studs, where the center of the junction box comes out between these studs. Typically, a vanity light is installed in the center of the sink horizontally and at a height of 76 to 84 inches above the floor. If the center of the sink comes out between the studs, you can use an octagonal junction box on an adjustable hanger for the sink light outlet. 4 inches octagonal metal junction box. Knockout for the bar hanger slider. Other junction box knockouts. Screws in the junction box to attach the light fixture bracket. Screw holes for mounting the junction box. Junction box grounding screw hole. Push-in cable connector. Grounding screw. Adjustable junction box bar hanger. Bar hanger slider. Screw holes for mounting the bar hanger. Open the center knockout in the octagonal junction box. Remove the screw from the bar hanger slider. Place the junction box on the slider and loosely screw in the previously removed screw. Install the bar hanger with junction box between the studs. Adjust the junction box on the slider in the desired location and tighten the slider screw. Install the grounding screw. Select and open the junction box knockout. Install any approved cable connector. Insert the cable into the cable connector. Attach the cable to the stud within 12 inches from the cable entry to the junction box. Remove the cable sheath. Wrap the ground wire, bare, around the grounding screw and tighten the screw. Trim the wires, no shorter than 6 inches from the bottom of the junction box, required, and insert them into the junction box. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.